How to write 0.2375 as a fraction in simplest form. Look, we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just skip this decimal, write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to write 10. So 4 digit we have, so write 4 10 as a multiplication. Of course, as a multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you need to simplify this fraction. To simplify this fraction in one step, you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or greatest common divisor. But if you want to simplify this fraction in multiple steps, then you can divide numerator and denominator by the common factors. Okay, this number has 5 at the end, so this is divisible by 5. This number has 0 at the end, so this is divisible by 5. If I divide this 10 by 5, I will get 2. And if I divide this number by 5, what will I get? Look at here. 5 goes into 23, how many? 4 times. 4 times 5, 20. Subtract 3, bring down this 7. Then 37, 7 times. 7 times 5, 35. Subtract to bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25, 5 times. 475. Again, this is divisible by 5. Okay, so 5 goes into, and this is also divisible by 5. 5 goes into 47. 9 times 5, 45. Subtract to 95, you will get. Again, this is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. You will get 2, and you will get what? 5 goes into 9. 1 time 45, that is 9. You will get 19. So 19 over 2 times to 4, 4 times to 8, 8 times 10. So 19 divided 8 times 1, 8 at 0. 19 is a prime number. It has only two factors, 1 and 19. If you get one prime number either in numerator or denominator, you have to think that you are done. So this is the lowest term or simplest form.